CLA, but they may be able to pull one back.
Like taking candy from a baby as yesterday.
So, we're just putting out the final preparations.
What you've got to remember is, Neil, is the little dog walking up along the ring there now with Richard, setting it all out. She won yesterday. She was the Supreme Champion yesterday. There's another dog down there, Cash, who's related to Emily. He was the Supreme Champion on Friday. Where are the Supreme Champion terriers here today then? Can you show me one? Can you?
No.
No, I didn't think you could.
I can't, but we will say that the Supreme Champion from yesterday and Saturday may not be running, because I am the judge.
They will be running.
Right, okay. Get up, little one.
This is Bella. Now, Bella's 10 years old, just to give him a chance, we brought up some of the old crop. We're actually talking about a dog now, not the owner, of course.
Pat and Bella. So it's Pat and Bella, Harrier versus Nurture. Heat 1. Are you ready? Are you ready, Paul? We're ready. Pat versus Bella. On your mark, set, go!
There we go, Bella, go move it, go move it. There we go. Now the Nurture's well in front, he's nearly gone off. The terrier's not even doing anything. This is, as I said, taking candy from a baby. This is 10-year-old dog, ladies and gentlemen. What more can we do to help you out, Neil? What more can we do?
What's your name? To whip it tight.
No, he's a winner. That's all they need to know, Neil. Not how he's bred.
Right,
he's a winner.
Well, alright, he was the Supreme Champion from Friday. So, it's Daisy. Heat 2 of Grudge Match, CLA, 2008.
Neil, I think we need to change the title of this now from the Grudge Match to a foregone conclusion, really.
Hey.
Is that why you're red face or you just embarrassed me?
No, some sunburn there. Right.
Whoa.
You said what I could do to make...
So you're on a two terrier against one Nurture?
Maybe?
We can't, ladies and gentlemen, please, sportsmen, sports ladies, can we allow this to happen?
Right. All the terriers in.
They'll do anything. These terriers will do anything.
It's Jazz, Georgie and Barbada. Terrier versus Nurture. The Grudge Match. Off we go. On the mark, set, go. And it's Jazz.
No, this is not fair. Those two terriers. No, you weren't even in competition. Tell him that. Now this is really bad because that's my daughter and she's just cheated with her uncle. You are teaching my daughter really bad habits.
You know what I applaud to Daddy because she's going to be back.
No, she's not. She's been eliminated for cheating. I'll come along and help.
This is Emily. Terrier versus Nurture. On the mark, set, go. You're off forward, Johnny. Emily's ready, Kevin. You're going to cut it.
We sure were. What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
Right, so we run the terriers so they step forward to run in the arena. So, we run the terriers and then we will crack on with the final of the Grudge Match.
the dog just going to work. There is no chance of exercising the dog, ladies and gentlemen, again.
Please.
Don't you there.
Carrier versus Lurcher.
Whatever we say to Paul, I'll double it.
Right, on your mark. Set. Go. Go. Jamie. Come on, Jamie.
I don't have to enjoy this great match. There you have it.
I don't, I used to. Right, okay. Emily versus Kath. Semi-final number 2. On your mark, set, go! You're off, and it's Kath. And Emily, Kath is doing it. Emily, really quiet. Cut it off! Step to the front,
This is serious stuff, ladies and these are the champions. And Cass is making a nice team back. Cass is a working dog. He's a Lurcher.
off the grudge match for this year.
I bet you're pleased about that.
Certainly am.
There's a £10 fine using mobile phones in the ring. You realise that, don't you?
Yeah.
Right, ladies and gentlemen. CLA 2008. Bella. I'm going to be Cass. So against Butch again.
Are you ready? On your mark, set, go! Go! And
ladies and gentlemen, that was the grudge match for the third day here at the CLA 2008. I would like to thank all the members, officers of the National Lurcher Racing Club who have made this event possible with Neil Harley. This is a brainchild of his and a chap called Keith Luxon. It was run at the Royal 3 weeks ago. The 10 years did